Hi, today I'm going to show you how to delete a TikTok account. I'm going to delete my account with TikTok. So open your app, go to the settings sections, and under settings and privacy, okay, scroll and look for your account sections. Account section. And then there's this deactivate or delete account. Click on it. Okay, I'm going to delete my account permanently. So click on delete account permanently. You can also choose to deactivate account and it will just deactivate. You can reinstate back. Okay, then go and choose whichever reason you want to put. Okay, yeah. Okay, I choose mine. So and then click continue. Okay, then they will tell you you can actually download your TikTok data. Yeah, if you want, you download. I just continue. And then they will say that account will be deactivated for 30 days and you can reinstate or just continue. And they will email me passcode to confirm. I will just okay. I have actually done that. Yeah, deleted. That's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.